Today, I'll be rating popular face washes for oily skin as a dermatologist, and I'll be explaining why I'm rating them that, especially what are the good ingredients in them and what are the not so good ingredients in them. We'll also talk about the surfactants that are present in them. Hi, I'm dermatologist Dr. Nirupama, and I make videos on skincare and hair care in English on this channel and in Hindi on this channel. You could subscribe to our channels and also follow me on Instagram. Let's talk about the very popular Himalaya Neem face wash. I would rate it 7 out of 10. If we talk about this face wash, it is very budget friendly, it is easily available, it has turmeric extracts and neem extracts which provide antimicrobial benefits. But otherwise, if you look at the formulation and the ingredients, it's a very basic face wash. It also has fragrance as well as colorants, so if you have very sensitive skin, then it might end up irritating your skin. Otherwise, you could definitely use it occasionally, but if we talk about the long-term skin barrier health, it might not be one of the best face washes in that sense, but it is a good face wash and you could use it occasionally, especially if you have oily skin. So I would rate it 7 out of 10. Now let's talk about Bioderma Sebium Gel Moussant. I will give it 8.5 out of 10. Well, it is specifically designed for oily skin and it is very good in terms of cleansing power. It thoroughly cleans the skin without making it feel too dry. If we talk about the ingredients, it contains zinc sulfate and copper sulfate which help in oil control. However, it does contain SLES as well as some fragrance. If you have very sensitive skin, it might end up irritating your skin. Otherwise, it is a very good face wash that you can use twice a day for thorough cleansing of the skin, especially if you have oily skin or combination skin. So I will give it 8.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about Sebamed Gentle Facial Cleanser. I would give it 8.5 out of 10. So it contains mild surfactants and it is a good pH balanced cleanser. If you talk about the ingredients, it contains panthenol and allantoin which helps soothe the skin. It's a great cleanser which thoroughly cleanses the skin, but it has a little bit of fragrance as well as menthol, can end up irritating the skin if you have very sensitive skin. Otherwise, it is a great cleanser and you could use it especially if you have oily and combination skin. So I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about the Dermaco 2% Salicylamide Anti-Acne Face Wash. I would rate it 8 out of 10. So it's a good combination of salicylic acid as well as niacinamide which definitely help in oil control. And if we talk about other ingredients, it has allantoin, panthenol and cica which are quite soothing. And if we talk about the cleansing base, it is reasonably mild. But it has certain ingredients such as olive oil, safflower oil which do not have much role to play, especially since it's a wash-off preparation. Otherwise, if you're looking for a face wash and you have an acne, this is a good beginner-friendly face wash and you could use it twice a day. I would rate it 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. So this is a very good barrier-friendly face wash. It contains ceramides, cholesterol, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. If you talk about the cleansing base, that is also mild. So it thoroughly cleans the skin without drying it out too much. But if you talk about actives, it does not have strong actives like salicylic acid which are much needed for oily skin. So otherwise, it's a great face wash if you have normal to oily skin, but if you have very oily skin, you might need cleansers which have salicylic acid. Otherwise, I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. It's a great cleanser, especially for normal to oily skin. Now let's talk about Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid plus LHA Cleanser. I would rate it 8 out of 10. So it's a very well formulated face wash. It has salicylic acid plus LHA which helps in exfoliation. If we talk about other soothing ingredients, it has allantoin, zinc PCA, it also has panthenol, betaine, and if we talk about the surfactant, it is quite mild and it has no fragrance as well. But if you have a compromised skin barrier or a sensitive skin, then it might be just a little bit more drying for you. Otherwise, it's a great face wash for oily skin and I would rate it 8 out of 10. I have tagged all these products with this video so that there is no confusion. So I hope you liked this video. If you want me to rate any other skincare products, do let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.